Welcome to today's video. My name is Rolly, and today we're going to be showing you how to download Tableau Public on your system. So without wasting so much of our time, let's head straight into business. So head onto your browser, any browser of your choice. Like I will always say, you can use any browser of your choice. Today I decided to use Firefox. Yes, on my previous video I used Chrome. So today you head straight to your any browser of your choice and you hit the search bar and type public dot tableau. Make sure to type it out .com, even though you're going to have the option, but make sure to type it out completely and click on enter. Great. So it brings us here. Welcome to Tableau. And the next thing you want to click on is you want to go to next place you want to go to is create. Okay, go to create and select. Look at the drop down. You have web authorizing, and then we have download Tableau desktop public file, and click on that one. Choose that. Click on go. All right, so it's going to bring you right next to this page, and then the next thing you want to do is agree. Agree on the terms and condition, which is normal on every website, and you click on download the app. All right, next page is it's going to ask you to choose from the following version of the version you're using. It said choose from the following version to begin the download. So currently I'm using Windows. So if you're using Mac, you can go ahead to choose Mac. So I'm using Windows. I'll click on Windows and it will take me right here. Okay, so you can see it says, thank you for downloading Tableau Desktop Public Edition. If your download doesn't begin automatically, try again for Mac or for Windows. So what it means, most of the time, it doesn't begin automatically. So you may have to manually do this by selecting your version again. So click on Window again. And yes, so it is started downloading already. It started downloading already. So I want to make sure you can see that started downloading already. I hope you can see my screen. So it started downloading already. Let's give it a few minutes, just about 2 minutes left for it to download. So while it is downloading, a few things you need to know, right? First of all, we need to know that there is paid version for Tableau. Currently, we're using the free version because you're just beginning your journey as a data analyst and you do not want to start with the paid version, right? So and Tableau paid version is not cheap. It is very expensive. It is very expensive. Not like it can be very expensive. It is very expensive. So you don't want to bother yourself on that. And we do not want you to start paying for something you are not, um, what is it called? Using officially yet, because this is for the training. It's just for the purpose of this training. When you get a job, you can decide to go for the paid version. All right, which definitely you will, because there are a lot of features on it. And also another thing I want you to know is that one of the reasons why we're introducing Tableau to you, because Tableau is your go-to tool for predictive analysis. So if you're looking at um, you want to do predictive analysis, Tableau is one of the best tools for you to use. Now, why do I say so? So, for instance, if you have you are dealing with sales data and you want to predict the sales in season, right? If sales is going to increase in season, or it's going to in the next season, or it's going to decline in the next season, Tableau is one of the best tools you can use for that. So, all right, while it's downloading, we have 17 seconds, 16, 15, 14. I hope you can see my screen. I'm just counting down. Yes, and please make sure when you're doing this, make sure you have a very good, strong internet connection and your battery is fully charged, so the process is not interrupted. All right, 4 seconds. Okay, few minutes left. Okay. Currently, we are on the download process. After this, we're going to move straight into the installation process. Okay. Just few minutes left. Give it very few minutes left, and voila, we're ready. So it says download completed. So let's open it and click on file. So you go to file. Once you click on the download, you go to file and it will bring us here. So you can see that Tableau public. Let me be very sure that you can equally still see my screen. All right, click on Tableau public. And you may want to open. Open, click on open. And please also let me also mention that just in case when you click on your first attempt and it asks you to sign in, and then you see any place where it's asking you to enter your information, because I already have it on my system, so I think it's just keeping some process for me, right? So if you are asked to sign in on your first attempt, you'll be asked to sign in. It's just your regular process of downloading it. On the downloading stage, you'll be asked to sign in, put in your details, your first name, your email, your region, and also the email. You're going to see business email. Do not bother so much about that. Your personal email can work, like your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail. Just put in your personal email if you do not have a business email. All right, so it's asking me if I want to run this. Okay, just give me a few minutes. I want to be sure that you can all see my screen before I continue. Okay. All right, yes, you can see my screen. So it's asking me, do you want to run this? Yes, I want to. Go ahead. Yes, so all right, now we just began the installation process. So we are done with the downloading process, and now we are right into the installation process. Okay, and right here it says welcome to Tableau, and you just have to, as usual, agree to the terms and condition. Here you don't necessarily need this, and the next thing you want to hit is install. Okay, it says, do you want to allow this? Yes, just click on yes and move on. Great. So now this is the installation process. All right. So Tableau is being, once you get to this stage, Tableau is being installed on your system, and as the installation process is completed, it's going to start running automatically. Okay. It's going to start running automatically. So you do not have to worry about any other thing. Make sure you have a good internet connection, like I say. All right. And also, if you get to this point, or if you didn't get to this point, you're having any challenges trying to install it on your system, please let us know. Drop a message on the group chat, and our facilitators are going to attend to you. Okay, like I mentioned, at Tech Hub, we hold you by the hands all through this journey to make sure everyone is carried along. Nobody's going to be left behind during the course of your program. Okay, so we have few minutes going, and few minutes going. Okay, just for a few minutes going for it to install. And once you've passed the stage, I think you're done. Great. So you can see it is completed. Okay, so it's launching automatically. I'm going to open it for you, but I want to be sure that you can still see my screen. Okay, all right. Okay, so automatically it has launched, and this is it. And you see it? Automatically it's going to launch. So you see Tableau Public, and voila, we're going to get it. Great. This is what you're going to have. This is Tableau. This is the interface you're going to be seeing. And don't worry if you're not seeing all of this in your own Tableau. It's fine. It's because it's the first time. So yeah, it's practically going to be empty in the first time. Okay, this is because these are the current what is it called, data I'm working on. Okay, so these are one of the things you're going to be benefiting. I mean, these are one of the files you can connect to. You have Microsoft Excel, we have text file, which is also your CSV file. We have JSON file, we have Microsoft Access, we have PDF, and we have a lot of them. Okay, although this is small compared to when you are using the paid version, there are a whole lot of other files or app you can connect to. So guys, this is how to download your Tableau on your system. If you have any questions, or you are going through any, or you go through, you're facing any challenges, please kindly do let us know, and we will walk you through on